start our lesson. So while still waiting for the other students, so we will start our lesson for today. So teacher has a question. So what is your name? Can you say your name loudly? So- oh no, there's no sounds. Hmm. Let me.
Yes.
Can you talk? Can you try talking now? My name is. Oh no, I can still hear you. So your name is Nam Can? Is that correct? Yes. Oh, wow. So hello, Nam. Nice to meet you. How are you today, Nam? Are you happy today? Yes. Wow, that's good to know. And are you ready for our today's lesson?
Yes.
Yes. Wow. Hello there. Hello, hello, hello. Oh, hello, mommy. Hello, good evening. Good evening, good evening, and welcome, welcome
Hello.
to our
Ôi,
class.
San. Hello.
Nào bé ngủ không?
Hello. Okay, now, what is your name? Is your name Giang? Giang? Is
My
that
name
correct?
is Giang Ming.
Jang? Jang Nguyen? Is that correct?
Yes.
Wow, hello, Jang. Nice to meet you.
Gì đấy?
Bé ngủ không?
How old are you, Jang?
I'm 7.
You're 7. Wow. So how are you today, Jang? Are
I'm
you
happy.
happy? Wow, that's
Yes.
good to know that you are happy today. So are you ready for our today's lesson?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, but before that, so teacher has another question to the both of you. So since our lesson for today is all about, let's say, farm
Farm.
animals. Farm?
Farm.
How about you, Jang? Farm?
Farm.
How
Farm
about,
animals.
wow, very good. Farm animals. Let's say farm animals. Farm?
Farm
Is,
animals.
wow, very good. So our lesson for today is all about farm animals. So for this one, let's look at the picture. Let's look. So what animal do you like in the picture? Or what
I like lion.
lion? Wow, you like lion. So Jang likes lion. How about you, Nam? What animal do you like?
I like the parrot.
You like parrot? Is that correct? You like parrot?
Yes.
Wow. Do you have a
Yes.
parrot? Do you have
Yes.
a wow, that's good to know. What is the color of your parrot?
Yes. No.
Its color, blue,
Yellow.
yellow. Its color, blue and yellow.
Blue.
Wow.
Yellow. Purple.
Wow. How about you, Jang? Are you not scared of lions? You're not scared of lions? Yes or
Yes.
no? Yeah, you're not scared. Wow, what a brave child. Good job. So now, our lesson for today is all about farm animals. We will learn about the animals that live on a farm. So now let's go to our next page to find out those animals. Hey, let's go. But first, let us watch a video. So let us watch some video here. Okay, just one moment. Let's watch the video. Okay, can you hear the sound of the video?
Yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, thank you so much. So let's watch.
And the glasses. Huh?
Let's watch this video. Okay. So these are farm animals.
Huh? Huh? Huh?
On the farm
Farm.
say
Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack.
Mice on the farm say squeak, squeak, squeak. Squeak, squeak, squeak.
Space, space, space.
Chickens on the farm say cluck,
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 cluck.
cluck. Say cluck, cluck, cluck.
Quack, quack, quack.
Squeak,
Quack.
cluck.
Pigs on the farm say
Yes.
oink, oink, oink.
Oink, oink, oink. Let's say oink, oink, oink.
Goats on the farm say meh, meh, meh.
Meh, meh, meh.
The sheep on the farm say
Say
ba,
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 ba.
ba.
Oink. Meh.
Meh. Ba.
The horses on the farm
Farm
say
say
neigh,
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 neigh.
neigh.
The cows on the
The
farm
farm
say
say
moo,
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 moo.
moo. Moo, moo, moo.
The
Moo.
roosters on the farm say
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Neigh.
Moo. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Pizza.
Yes. Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Let's try it a little.
Oh, let's try a little faster. Let's sing.
The ducks on the farm say
Say
quack,
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 quack.
quack.
Oh, please,
Mice
teacher.
on the farm say
Yes? What did you say now? What did you say?
Please.
Please?
I don't. Please,
You don't? Yes.
I don't.
You don't?
I don't want to hear it.
You don't? What? Teacher can't hear
I don't.
you.
I don't want to hear
You don't want to
But-
say?
anymore.
Okay, so now let us start with our lesson. Okay, so let's go to our next page. Okay, so now let's look at the first picture. So, do you know, for Jang, do you know what animal is this?
Huh?
Yes, 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 Jang, what animal is this? In the picture, this is. Do you know what animal is this one? Yes or no? No? How about Nam? Do you know what animal is this?
Oh,
Yeah. What animal is this?
I
Let's
think,
say, yes. What animal? This animal is dog. Let's say this is a dog. Dog. Arp, arp. Let's say dog. Can you say dog, Nam? Dog. Dog, 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 dog. Okay, how about you, Jang? Can you say dog? Dog. Dog. Are you still there, Jang? Or Jang? Jang? Hello? Okay, let's say dog. Can you say
Có người
dog?
nghịch ấy. Nhìn cô giáo ấy cơ cả.
Dog. Let's say dog. So this animal is dog. So now let's go to our next animal. So let's look at our next picture. Do you know what animal is this? Who knows? What animal is this? How about you, Jang? Do you know what animal is this? Chi. Let's say chicken. Chicken. So this animal is chicken. Let's Yes, very good. Chicken. Good job. How about you, Nam? Say chicken. Chicken, chicken. Very good. So this animal is chicken. How about the next animal? So let's look at our next picture. So do you know what animal is this? So it is color white. So how about you, Jang? Do you know what animal is this? Jang? No? You don't know? How about you, Nam? What animal is this? Let's say, so this is a sheep. Let's say, or this is a goat. So it can sometimes call as a sheep or goat. So let's say goat, 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 goat. Okay, let's say goat. Jang, can you say goat? Goat? Let's say goat. Okay, how about you, Nam? Can you say goat? Goat, goat, goat. Goat, goat, goat. Okay, so this animal is, yes, very good. This animal is a goat. Okay, let's go to our next animal. So what animal is this one? So this animal is color pink. What animal is this? Do you know what animal is this, Nam?
Yes.
Yes, what animal is this? This is a
Big.
wow, very good. So this good job. Good job, Nam and Lang. So this is a pig. This animal is a pig. So, so what color is the pig? What color? The pig is color pink. Wow, very good. You two are so smart. Now let's go to our next animal. So look at our next animal. Okay. So what animal is this? Do you know what animal is this, Jang? What animal is this one? Is this a
Sao vậy?
chicken? Yes or no, Jang? Is this a chicken? Yes or no? Mm, no. So, how about you, Nam? What animal is this one?
Câu hỏi gì đấy?
This is let's say this is a duck. This is a duck. Let's say duck, 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 duck. Can I hear your voices? Duck.
Yeah.
Let's say, yes, very good. How about you, Jang? Let's say duck. Jang? Let's say duck. Duck, duck, duck. So this animal is a duck. Okay, let's go to our next animal. So this one is, what animal is this one? Hmm. Do you know what animal is our next animal? Let's look at the picture. So for this one, this one is a sheep. And this one is a goat. Let's say goat. Goat, goat, goat. Let's say, can you say goat? Goat, goat, goat. Okay, let's proceed to our next animal. Okay, let's look at the picture. You, Jang, do you know what animal is this one? What animal is this? Do you know what animal is this? Yes or no? Jang? Jang? Are you still there? Are you still there? What animal is this? This is, let's say, this is a cow. Let's say cow.
Yeah.
Wow, very good. One more time. Let's say cow. Cow, cow, cow. Very good. How about you, Jang? Let's say cow. Cow. Let's say cow. So this animal is, yes, very good. This animal is a cow. So these animals are called, so let's say farm animals. So they are farm animals. So these are the animals that lives in the farm. That's why they are, yes, that's why they are called farm animals. Yes, farm animals. So good job to the both of you. Now let's go to our next page. Okay. Oops. So for this one, in this picture, these are the farm animals. Can you say, Nam, can you say farm animals? Farm animals. Let's say farm, farm, farm animals. So these are farm animals. So now let's proceed to our next page and let us learn more about farm animals. Okay, let's go to our
How?
next page. Okay, so let's look at the picture. So let's say the dog. Let's read. Okay, Nam, let's read this one. Let's say the dog.
Horse.
Say the dog.
Horse.
Horse. Are you sure this is a horse? Are you sure? This is a dog. This is a dog. So
Yeah.
so they bark. The dog barks. So this is a dog. Let's say dog, Jack. Dog, dog, dog. Cat. Where is the cat? Okay, so let's say dog. Let's say dog.
See?
Can you dog? Dog, dog, dog. Let's say dog. I can't hear you. Dog, dog, dog.
Ugly.
Okay, next, let's go to our next farm animal.
Yeah.
Okay, what animal is this? This is the pig. Let's read. The pig. Can you read? Wow, very good, Nam. How about you, Jang? Let's say the pig. The the pig. Very good. The pig. Okay, next. Let's look at the picture. So this is the pig. Okay. Let's go to our next farm animal. Okay. Let's look at the picture. This animal is the chicken. Let's say the chicken.
Rock.
Jang, can you say chicken? Chicken. Chicken. How about you, Nam? Can you say the
Rock.
chicken?
Palap, palap.
Palap, palap.
Ah.
The chicken. Yes, the chicken. So this is the chicken. The chicken, the chicken, the chicken. Okay, next, let's go to our next page. Okay, let's look at the picture. So this animal is the goat. Let's say goat, 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 goat. Can you say goat? Jang, Jang, can you say goat? Goat, goat, goat. Let's say goat. How about you, Nam? Can I hear you say goat? Goat, goat. One more time. Let's say ga, ga, goat. Goat. Wow, very good. How about you, Jang? Ga, ga, goat. Ga, ga, goat. Yes. Can you say goat? Let's say goat. Yes. Very good. So this is a goat. How about our next animal? So the cow. Very good. So let's say this is the cow. Let's say cow. The cow. Cow. Wow, very good. How about you, Jang? Let's say cow. This is the cow. So let's look at the cow. So it is colored black and white. So this is, yes? What is? Can you type your question? Teacher can't hear you. Your voice is cutting off. What is? Can you chat? Can you type? What's teacher can't hear you clearly, Nam. It's cutting off. What? Can you type your question so that teacher can answer? Okay, so while Nam is typing his question, so let's look at the next animal. So let's look. Okay, So next animal, so let's say the duck. Let's say
Mayot.
duck,
Sige.
duck, duck, duck. So this animal is a duck. What animals? These are farm animals. Yes. So these are all about farm animals. So this animal, so this is a duck. This,
Mouse này.
let's say duck,
Hay là
U mà USA.
duck, duck, duck. Can you say duck, Nam? Can I hear your duck? Duck, duck, duck. So this is a duck. Okay. So this is a duck. So this animal is another farm animal. Next. Okay, so this animal is a sheep. Let's say, can you say sheep, Nam? Let's say sheep. Sheep, sheep, sheep.
No. Em.
No,
Mẹ em như nào?
this is a sheep. Let's say,
No.
this is a sheep. No, this animal is not a sheep. What animal is this? What animal is this? Mm,
I don't
so
know
this,
this.
you don't know?
I
So
don't know
this is a sheep. Sheep. So this animal is a sheep. Let's say sheep. Sheep, sheep, sheep. So the color of the sheep in this picture is color gray. Color gray. Okay. Next, let's proceed into our next farm animal. Let's go. Okay, so now let's answer the picture. So let us find out what animals are they. So let's go to this or to the first picture. Okay, Nam, what animal is this? Do you know what animal is this? Is this a chicken, cow, duck, a dog, sheep, pig?
I can see this animal. I can see this
You you
I
can
can
see?
animal.
Oh no.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So let us you don't okay. So let us start again in so that you didn't told teacher that you cannot see the animals. Okay. So thank you so much for saying that, Nam. So let us proceed to our okay. So now let's look at the picture. So what animal is this, Nam?
Dog.
Dog. Very good. How about Jang? What animal is this? Do you know what animal is this one? Let's say this animal is a dog. So Nam is correct. So this is a dog. How about this one? What animal is this? Do you know what animal is this, Nam? Chicken. Very good. How about you, Jang? What animal is this? So this animal is a chicken. Very good, Nam. How about our next animal? What animal is this one?
It's a sheep.
Sheep. Wow, very good. This is a sheep. How about our next animal? What animal is this?
It's a pig. It's a
Wow,
pig.
very good. It's a pig. Nam is so smart. How about our next animal? What animal is
It's
this?
a duck.
It's
It's
a
a duck.
duck. Very good. It's a duck. How about this one?
It's a goat.
It's a goat. Very good. So it is a goat. How about our next animal? What animal is this one? What animal is this?
It's
Hmm,
a cow.
it's a cow. How about you, Jang? What animal is this one? Can you turn on your microphone? Turn on. Can you turn on your microphone? Let's say cow. Cow, cow, cow. Okay, so let us start again into our next slide. For this one, what do we call these animals?
Cow, cow, cow.
Cow. Wow, very good. Very good, Nam. How about this one? What do we call these animals? These are farm.
Hey. Hey.
Let's say farm animals. Farm.
From animals.
Yes. Wow, very good. Perfect job. Next. Okay, let's read this one. Let's say the dog. Let's
The
say
dog.
very good, Nam. How about Chang? Can you say the dog? The the let's say the dog. Okay, next. What animal is this? Let's say, let's read. The, what animal is this one? Let's say the pig. The pig. So this is a pig. This is, let's say, this is the pig. I can't hear you. Okay, next. Let's go to our next animal. Let's say, okay, Jang, what animal is in the picture? What animal is this one? Let's say chicken. Chicken. The chicken. Let
Chicken.
Wow, very good, Nam. How about you, Jang? Teacher can't hear you. Can you say the chicken? Chicken, chicken, chicken. Chicken? Chicken, chicken.
Chicken.
Very good. So good job. Next, let's go to our next animal. What animal is this one?
This is a goat.
Wow, very good job. This is a goat. So this is a goat. Good job. Next animal. What animal is this?
Cow.
Cow. What does cow sounds like? So the cow sounds like
Moo.
moo. Wow, very good. Moo. So this is a cow. So good job. Next, what animal is this one? Is this a chicken? Yes or no? Is this a chicken? Yes or no? No. Let's say no. What animal is this? This, yes, very good, Nam. This is a duck. What color is the duck?
The dog is
Color? Wow, very good. Color yellow. Good job, Nam. Let's go to our next animal. What animal is this one?
a sheep.
Wow, very good, Nam. It's a sheep. So this animal is a sheep. Next animal. Oh, okay. So now let us answer what animal is in the picture. So let's go to our first animal. So what animal is this one?
It's
Wow, very good. This is a dog. So fast now. How about the next one? This animal for the next one is for Jang. So Jang, what animal is this one? Jang, this animal is what animal is this, Jang? Is this a chicken, cow, duck, sheep, pig, or goat? What animal is this, Jang? Jang, are you still there? Y- Wow, very good, Nam. So this is a chicken. So good job. Next, what animal is this? Sheep. Very good. So fast. So our third animal is a sheep. How about our next animal? Let's look. Animal is this?
This is a,
Ah,
a pig.
wow, very good, Jang. So this is a pig. How about our next animal? What animal is this?
This is a duck.
Wow, so fast, Jang. This is a dog. Very good. Next one. What animal is this?
Goat.
Wow, very good, Jang. So this is a goat. How about our last animal? What animal is this?
Cow.
Cow. Wow, very good. So this is a cow. Good job. So what do we call these animals? What
The
do we
from animals. Animal.
Well, very good. Good job, Jang and Nam. So these are farm animals. So good job for answering this activity. Now, let's go to our next page. Okay, let's look at the video. So what animal is in the video?
A duck. Duck.
Very good to the both of you. And what is the dog doing?
The duck is swimming. The duck
Well,
is swimming.
good job. The duck is
Swimming.
swimming. Swimming. Very good. Next. Okay, what animal is this?
The dog.
Dog. How about you, Jang? What animal is in the video? It is
It is a dog.
very good, Jang. So, what is the
Mm.
dog doing?
Dog is hands.
Very good. Let's read. The dog is running.
The dog is running.
Very good. So the dog in the video is running.
Run.
Very good. Good job to the both of you. Now let's go to our next animal. What animal is this?
Brown.
Very good. So this is a cow. So what is the cow doing?
Brown. Brown.
Very good. So let's read. The cow is eating grass. Let's read. The cow is eating grass. The cow is eating grass. So very good. Next. Yes, very good. So good job. Next, let's go to our next page. Okay, so what are they? What
There
are
are
they?
7 animals.
Wow, very good, Nam. So they are 7 animals. And where are they? They are
On the farm.
very good. Now, Jang, can you read this one? There
There are
are
7 animals on the
very good.
farm.
Good job. How about you, Jang? There are, can I hear your voice? There are 7. How many animals are there, Jang? How many? There are 7 animals on the farm. So very good. So now let's go to our next page. Okay. So let's look at the picture.
goat.
The goat. Wow, very good, Jang. So
The
fast.
goat.
So this is a goat. Okay, so teacher has another question. So let's look at this one, this part. So what is this? Do you know what is in the goat's neck? It is bell. Wow,
Yeah.
very good, Nam. So it is a bell. So why do you think there is a bell in the goat's neck? Do you know why? Why do you think that they have a bell on their neck? So the bell, can you read this one, Nam? Let's read this one. The bell helps the owner find the goat. The goat
Now,
easily when it
isn't the bell the owner
around. Okay, one more time. Let's read. The bell helps the owner find the goat easily when it
well
moves around. So that is the use of the bell on the neck of the goat for its owner or for the person who owns the goat to find him or to find the goat easily. So the bell will have a sound so that the goat will not
ding
be, yes, ding ding. So that is the sound of a bell. So if the bell sounded like that, she or it can be found by the person who owns the goat. So it will not be lost in the farm because most of the farm it has a very very big place. So there are a lot of animals that gets lost. So they need something on their neck for them to be found easily. So very good, everyone. So now let's go to our next. What is?
chicken.
Wow, very good, Jang. This is the chicken. So now let's look. Do you know if this chicken is a boy or a male or a female or a girl chicken? Is this chicken a male or female chicken? Do you know? Is it a boy or a girl chicken? Hmm.
Um,
Can you guess? Can you guess if this chicken is a girl or a boy?
no, dear.
What? Okay, so let us discuss. So
No, right?
for this picture, so it is a female chicken. So when we say female chicken, so they are called as hen. So they lay eggs. They are girl chicken. So let's say hen. Hen. Hen, hen, hen. So this is a hen. So when we say rooster, it is a male chicken. So for this picture, so the difference between a male and a female chicken, so a male chicken has a long comb. So when we say comb, it is in the head of the chicken. So this chicken, it has a short comb. So therefore, it is female. So when we say this one, let's look at the tail of the chicken. So it has a short tail. That is why it is a female. But for male chickens, so the feather in the, or we can see here in the feather, or in the tail, or in their tail. So their feather is longer than the hens. So that will look like this if they are a rooster. So that is the difference between a female and male chicken. Okay, so now let's answer another question. So now, what is the chicken doing? What is the chicken doing? Let's look at the picture. What is the chicken doing? Is the chicken eating? Yes or no?
Fish.
It is? It is eating. So let's look at the picture. There is, or there are food on the ground. That is why the chicken is eating. So let's say the chicken is eating. So the chicken is, can you read this one, Nam? The chicken is
Then is eating. The chicken is
scratching.
scratching the ground.
Wow.
For food.
Yes, very good. So that is what the chicken doing. So good job. Very good. Next, let's go to our next page. Okay. So now, so for this one, so my friend says the dog. The dog likes chasing the chicken. So they are not good friends. So do you think, Nam, do you think the dog and the chicken are good friends? Or the dog and the chicken are friends? Yes or no?
No,
No.
no,
Why it is a no?
no.
No. No, because be-
Chase the chicken.
yes.
The dog chase the chicken.
Yes, wow, very good. You are so smart, Nam. So no, because the dog chases the chicken. So therefore, they are not good friends. So how about you, Jang? Do you think the dog and the chicken are good friends, Jang? Yes or no? Yes or no? Do you think they are good friends? Yes or no? What's your answer? No, also? So, in general, dogs and chickens are not good friends because the dog always chase the chicken. So the dog thinks that the chicken is a food to eat. That is why the chicken, so it will get scared. So they will be not good friends. So for that one. Okay, so very great job. Next, let us go to our next page. Okay. Okay, so now let's learn some phonics. So let's look at our first picture. Let us say, or do you know what is in the picture?
It is pink.
Wow, it is pink. Very good. This is pink. How about what do you call the one that we use to draw or to color? It is, can you read this one? Let's say paint.
Hey.
Very good. One more time. Let's say paint.
Hey.
Very good. So now, can you write the word paint? Can you write the word paint, Nam? Can you write it like this?
Yes.
This one. Can you write paint? Right.
Yes.
Go. Write the word paint. You can draw. Draw in the. Okay. Okay, you can type. So you can type a big letter P for paint and the small letter P, like this one. Very good, very good. But our word is paint. Let's say pa paint. Okay, next. Let's go to our next picture. So let's say peach.
Peach.
Peach. Very good. One more time. Pa
Peach.
peach. Pa peach. Very good. So our word here is peach. Pa peach. Okay, next. So let's us find out if there are more words that has the sound of pa or p. Very good. Again, let's look at our next picture. So what animal is this or what is this? What is this, Nam? Nam and Jang.
Is pencil.
This one. The third picture. This is a chicken.
Oh, it is
Chicken. Very good. So this is a chicken. So the chicken has the
cat.
letter. Yes, hen. So this is a hen because it lays eggs. So does the hen has the P sound, letter P sound? Yes or no? Does it has the letter P sound? Pa hen. Is it a yes or no? No, let's say no because it does not starts with the letter B. How about our fourth word? What is this? This is like this one. What is this?
Pencil. It's a
Wow,
pencil. Pencil.
very good. So it is a pencil. Pencil. So does it sounds like letter P? Pa, pa, pa. Yes or no? Yes. So it sounds
Yes.
like very good. It sounds like P. Pa, pa, pencil. Very good. How about this one? Do you know what is this?
It is a house.
Oh, wow, very good, Jack. It is a house. So, does it sounds like letter P? Yes or no?
No.
No, very good because it sounds like letter H. Very good. How about our last picture? What
It
is
is
this?
a cow.
Wow, very good. Perfect job. So, does the cow sounds like letter P? Yes or no? Is it a yes? Is it a no? Does it sounds like letter P? Cow? Pa? It is a no. So the cow starts with letter C. K, k, k. So that is our phonics P. So now let's go to our next one. So now let's complete the missing letters. So the missing letters are letter P, and letter B. Yes, very good. For our first one, it is what is our number one? Pig. Very good. How about our second
Park.
picture?
Park.
Park. Good job. How about the third one? Very good. Bat. How about our fourth one?
B.
Boat. B. How about the fifth?
B.
Bed. B. Next.
B.
Very good. Next one.
Pen.
Pen. What is the missing letter?
P.
P. Good job, Nam and Jang. How about this one? Pie. Very good.
Nine. Boy. Nine.
Boy, very good. Our last
Boy.
one.
Hand. Hand. Hand.
Wow, good job. You two are so smart. So these are our phonics P and B.
P.
Pa, pa, pa. Let's say pa and ba. Pa and ba. So very good. So you have answered all of in the picture. Now, let's go to our next activity. So let's look at the picture. Do you know what is or what room is this? What room is this? Is this the living room? A bedroom?
This is a bedroom.
Wow, very good. This is a bedroom. Good job. Next, for our next one, how many children do you
Mẹ,
how many children do you think live here?
mẹ ơi, con vừa thấy một bạn.
How many children are in the bedroom? There are
There are children.
there how many
No,
how many?
there are two.
Very good. There are two children. Wow, good job. And do you know what are the sports that they play? Do you know what sport is this one? So teacher will.
Teacher, I can hear. I can hear.
This one. What sport is this?
This is a basketball.
Very good. Basketball. How about this one?
This is a basketball.
Badminton. Very good. One more time. Let's say badminton. Yes, and it can also be tennis. Okay, now, can you find where is the castle? Where is the castle in the picture? Can you circle?
It is
Hmm.
in the It
In
is
the
in the cupboard.
Wow, very good. So where is the castle? Can you circle, Chang? Can you circle the castle? Wow, very good now. So this is the castle. How about the bag? Where is the bag? Hmm, where is the bag? Where is the bag?
Yeah.
Very good. Our last one, where is the lorry? When we say lorry, so it is a toy truck. The toy truck. Where is the toy truck? Okay, so where? Can you circle where is it? Okay, so it is in this one. Wow, very good. Good job. So good job for today's lesson, Nam and Dang or Jang. So it is our or the end of our lesson for today. So thank you so much for your active participation in our today's lesson. So you two did a great job. That's why teacher will give you your star. So very good to the both of you. So thank you so much and keep practicing your English skills, okay? So I can see that you did a great job in our today's lesson, but somehow there are some parts that you are not confident in answering. But that is okay because we are learning here. Okay, so teacher suggests that you practice reading more books and also read our or okay. So read our or review our lesson material. So bye bye. Bye
Chicken.
bye, Jang
Bye
and Nam.
bye.
Bye bye. Thank you so much.